Parliament Affairs Minister.
This is the honourable member, Mr. Gokhale, is the initiator of this very important discussion.
Very important.
We expect the person, the honourable member who initiates the discussion, to be very broad-minded as well as he should set the tone. But the way he has started the discussion, the words he has used from the very beginning, he started in a very negative note. We all are here to listen to the suggestion also, as well as we can accept the criticism. During his 12-minute address, he has not given even a single suggestion. We would welcome the suggestion of honourable members. We are discussing on the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Not a single suggestion on how to improve the working. He has been attacking left and right from the beginning. I don't understand. क्या इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है, बताइए। कोई तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का। राज्यसभा में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि कम से कम जो मेंबर बोलते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डेकोरम मेंटेन करेगा। और इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 मिनट में, ये कोई सभ्य समाज में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता है। और राज्यसभा का गरिमा को गिराया है। क्या इस्तेमाल करता है? वो कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया है।
Honorable members, or Sagarika, your leader can help himself. You can be rest at your seat. Honorable members, I have said on multiple occasions that anything said in this sacred temple carries credibility and sanctity. We must be giving a call of unity, not of divisiveness. We must have mutual respect, not deliberate, targeted disrespect. Since these are the two elements which have been thrown, and these have been thrown in a manner because we have these days a different mechanism of dissemination. So if we become a platform for dissemination of such kind of wrong narratives, that not only insults the very concept of Council of States, House of Elders, the upper house, but personally I would still appeal that let us maintain decorum. And Saket, you know it more than anyone else, Intelligence Bureau is not in the jurisdiction of the Honorable Home Minister. Still you raise it? No. It is not. No. I need not go to the book for a simple reason that all of us know that we at the moment are not on the right track. I appeal to everyone in the House to converse on soothing discourse and make contributions. Saket, you can take 1 more minute, 2 more minutes, and conclude. And conclude on a soothing note.
Multiple people have spoken longer than me, sir.
Soothing note, because Parliamentary Affairs Minister said, one who sets the tone of debate.
Sir, he called my speech gira hua speech, but you won't expunge that.
I will look at every word, but 2 I have deleted already.
We also have objections.
I also object to that, sir. Anyway, sir,
Saket,
I want 2 sentences to conclude.
Saket, take your seat. Yes, Derek.
Now we are talking about getting personal. On record today, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister of India called my colleague not broad-minded. I take strong objection to anybody from here, calling anybody from here. This is not a commentary. Sir, you can. 1 minute, sir. Let me finish.
You said so.
Sir, please understand. 1 MP spoke. 3 ministers got up. You are in charge, sir. Give him 1 minute to conclude his speech and let's move on. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Once again,
गिरा हुआ नहीं, ब्रॉड माइंडेड का मैंने मतलब स्पीच को बोला है. दिस स्पीच इज नॉट वेरी ब्रॉड माइंडेड. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. डोंट ट्राई टू मिस इंटरप्रेट unnecessarily.
all Honorable members, I think we have had enough of it now. You need to wind up. You need to wind up.
Two sentences to finish off, sir.
One word is enough to dislocate us. Be careful about it. One word can
you're
upset
giving
the
me that
entire
power.
country.
Anyway, sir.
You are going for two sentences. Be
sentences.
careful about it.
Two sentences, sir. Two sentences. This is my conclusion, sir. You mentioned caste. The Home Minister insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the house.
Again.
You're talking about caste?
Nothing, Oman.
Talking about caste?
He did not. He did not.
Anyway,
He did not.
I want to conclude, sir,
He did not.
by saying only one thing. I want to conclude by saying only one thing, sir. West Bengal elections are coming next year in 2021. The Union Home Ministry, if it does not drop this attitude, the BJP will become tadipar from the state of West Bengal. Thank you, sir.
Honorable members, before I call the next speaker, I wish to again reiterate. Yes, Leader of the House.
I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection as the President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.